Sensors are the eyes of the factory, but many targets can be challenging for traditional sensors to see, and complex applications often require many different sensors to complete a task. How much downtime could you avoid if a single sensor could handle your most challenging requirements and even let you know when it needs maintenance? Solve more applications with greater reliability and fewer devices with smart sensors from Banner Engineering. Smart laser distance sensors with dual mode measure not just distance but also light intensity. This means the sensor can detect changes in both distance and surface contrast. This allows users to inspect multiple conditions with a single device, whether an object is present, whether multiple objects are stacked, and whether an object is oriented correctly. Dual mode also allows smart sensors to detect targets that other sensors can't, including clear objects, low contrast applications, and very dark objects, all with one very powerful device. IO-Link communication adds even more advanced capabilities. Smart sensors with IO-Link let you remotely access sensor readings and see how well the sensor is doing. With remote monitoring and real-time diagnostics, operators can be alerted in advance that a sensor needs cleaning before it fails. Users can also track sensor runtime to predict when maintenance will be needed and avoid unplanned downtime. Solve more applications, save inventory costs, and help prevent unplanned downtime with Banner's smart sensor solutions.